Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream cheese at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients: whole milk, lemon juice or vinegar, and a touch of salt. You'll need a heavy-bottomed saucepan for heating. Pour about 4 to 8 cups of whole milk into the pan. Gently heat the milk over medium-high heat, stirring constantly until it reaches a rolling simmer, but do not let it boil. This initial step is crucial for the curdling process. Once your milk is simmering, reduce the heat to medium. Now, it's time to add the acid. Slowly stir in about 2 to 5 tablespoons of lemon juice or white vinegar, 1 tablespoon at a time, with a minute in between each addition. You'll quickly see the milk begin to curdle and separate into solid curds and a greenish liquid, called whey. Remove the pan from the heat as soon as this separation is complete, usually within a few minutes. Now, let's prepare for straining. Place a fine mesh sieve over a large bowl and line it with 2 layers of cheesecloth. Gently pour the curdled milk mixture into the cheesecloth-lined sieve. The whey will drain into the bowl below, leaving the curds behind. Let the curds drain and cool for about 15 minutes to 1 hour. You can even gently squeeze the cheesecloth to remove more excess liquid for a firmer cream cheese. For the final step, transfer your drained curds into a food processor or blender. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavor. Process the curds for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, or until they become wonderfully smooth and creamy. If it seems too thick, you can add a splash of the reserved whey. Scoop your fresh cream cheese into an airtight container and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes to firm up. Enjoy within 7 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.